Looks pretty good, right?
No.
Oh, yeah.
Oh!
All right, we are very excited today because we have the world's greatest store in the whole world. Bunnings Warehouse. I'm just kidding, it's Target, but Ricky likes Bunnings Warehouse.
We have Target as well.
That's a lie. If you have Target in Australia, leave it in the comments below. But what are we doing today? Jell-O shoes. We were just at the warehouse and everybody says, this won't work. This is not gonna work. Ricky, what do you think?
I think the most important question is what flavor the shoes are gonna be.
Well, Gabe already purchased them on Amazon. So yesterday, the Amazon delivery driver dropped off the Jell-O and he was like, oh my gosh, it's Braille. And he was literally like so excited. He was shaking.
You need, like, I think you need to buy each shoe that's like just bigger than the shoe.
That's what we're looking for. Can we get a cart? No, we don't need a cart. We could skate in these. Ooh, that's a wild fable. See, Gabe, the thing that's great about this Target is they don't kick you out. Oh, I need some protein bars, actually.
Oh.
12 bars, though. All right, that's pretty good.
You're like, I think you want one like that for each shoe.
Like, sir, would you stop putting your feet in all the containers? So we put the Jell-O in there, then how do you get it out?
I think we use plastic wrap.
But how do you make a Jello cake?
So I think we need more Jell-O.
Okay.
Do you think?
No?
Yeah. And the desserts.
Okay, here we go.
So we got lime.
We did?
Mm-hmm.
You got green?
We got green.
You going for green, huh?
Yes, sir.
I think to put in there.
So you got two? I mean, how much does this make?
This makes 8.5 cups.
So how many do we
For
need?
one though, don't we need two of these?
One more. There you go.
And because I don't just totally believe you,
Okay.
one more.
There.
Is this gonna work, Rick?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
We don't need this.
Slow cooker liner. That's a non-stick container.
Get a non-stick one.
Be sure to get plenty of Jell-O packets. You need to cover the object completely.
That will work,
Is it
right?
non-stick though?
I mean, is it metal? I think the
I think that's
plastic.
better.
Is it gonna stick to the plastic?
See, that is what's gonna happen.
That is gonna be awesome.
Yeah, we could have been doing that.
Shower.
Okay, when it comes to Jell-O modes, there's many to choose from. Copper, plastic,
Oh, it fell.
silicone. It
actually-
did. So they nailed it.
So we just need hot water.
Maybe we need to hire them to make
I mean, either we try this or that. What do you think?
I think that's better because this we can like.
This one you
mess with
can
it.
kind of cut. Yeah, and bend.
2-pack, $5. Okay, I think we good. We nailed it. This is gonna work, right?
All right. What do you put 1 out of 10 odds of this working?
I think it will work. I think 90% chance it works as we expect.
10. It's gonna work. 10. I give it a 10. And if it doesn't work, I'm blaming you. Leave it in the comments below.
Whose one is better?
Who's better?
No, Ricky's bad.
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me see. Just check myself out here. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Dang, should we get the Starbucks, Rick? Kind of want the Starbucks.
Do you guys want a Starbucks right now?
Should we?
Big guy?
Yeah.
Ricky's like, well, if you're gonna talk to me like that.
I don't know why, Rick, but those lollipops give very major U vibes for some reason.
Really?
Yeah.
Come on, I'm not a cake pop kind of vibe.
I don't know.
All right, this is cooking with the Kairos. And by the Kairos, we
When
mean...
it's ready?
No, Gabe told me I'm an idiot. And I said, you're right. I had to pour this out because I need to measure it before we put it
Oh, I
in.
love the smell of water on concrete like that.
Who loves the smell of water on concrete like that?
What does that even mean?
Okay, so you're just gonna tell me what to do because I'm an idiot.
Okay, so basically, each Jell-O container needs 8 cups of water, 4 of which need to be boiled.
So how many do I put in there for
So
3 Jellos?
We need 12 cups of water that we're boiling right now.
So how many liters is 12 cups?
2.84.
0.84?
Yep.
So we're gonna get 1 liter up in here. Okay, so here's 1 liter. So wait, so 2.84 then divided by 2.
What? What are you talking about?
Yeah, like 1.4.
1.4.
What? This is for 3 Jell-O boxes.
Only?
Yeah.
2.84 is for 3?
Yes, because this is only half of the water. Half of it you need to boil and half of it is cold.
No way. This is way too much water.
So this is half of the water of 1 shoe, is that right?
Yeah.
So now I gotta figure out this 0.75, 1.
Just go like
8,
halfway.
4.
Yeah, just go like halfway.
Ooh, I'm good at cooking. Follow my cooking channel at Aaron Cairo Cooks. Holy
You're a damn pro.
That is exactly 0.84. So, some good. And now it's on sear, which is the hottest, I believe, right?
Yeah.
So that's good. So we're good to go. So now that should be boiling. I think it's on. Oh yeah, now you hear it.
So now let it boil.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to let the Jello boil. And then we're gonna somehow measure the same amount of water in cold waters, and then we're gonna mix it together a little bit at a time, and then we're gonna mix it in, and then we're gonna let it dissolve. Okay, Cruz. This is why I don't cook. Leave it in the comments below if you know how to actually cook, and we don't. One time I made
What
toast.
the heck is this?
We got some boxes, y'all. We're gonna mess this up, guaranteed. You don't just taste it like that.
It's like Whiz Fizz.
What's Whiz Fizz? Does it taste like lime?
It's like sugar, lime sugar.
Come on.
Ah!
Ah! Actually, legit scared me.
Do you think that the water will soak through the shoe?
Yes, that's what I was saying. That's what I thought the problem was. And then you guys said just dump it all in there.
Let's just dump it all in there.
Like, I'm saying fill the water to here, and this is underwater, and the Jello is in there, and then when you skate them, just take that bit out.
But yeah, look, I got the prime Braille shoes. Sick.
Well, we can get these open. Jello ledge.
So we're really gonna make all of these? Yes, please. Can we? I like Jello ledge. I think we can make that happen.
Oh, it's getting warm.
We're almost there.
All right, let's get the cold water set up. So we need 1.42 for each one.
Wait, what?
Because this is for 6 boxes right here, so we only need half.
I think this is way too much.
How much is that?
That's 1 liter.
Another 0.42 liters and you're good. We good.
I'm confused.
We got this.
How's that look?
Fantastic.
Whoa, I think that's 0.43. Nailed it.
Close.
First try, every try, all the tries.
You got anything to mix this with, or are you just gonna use your hand?
Hey, I'm just doing this stuff. Why are you nervous? Think I'm gonna mess it up?
You make me a little nervous.
You've been here the whole time?
Yes.
I was literally in there like, what is happening right now?
We're right here.
But Nigel, what about a Jello ledge? Come on, tell me that's not a great idea.
It's a terrible idea. There's one person gonna do one trick and the whole thing's
What if
deteriorating.
you got a Jello edge and then you put it in the freezer?
Still not gonna work.
That would be lit.
That would be sick.
Okay, we're getting close though. We got some bubbles coming up. It's getting bubbly. I guess we can find something to mix it with.
I don't know if it's good to eat this Jello. I think
Yeah.
there's a little wax in there.
I was gonna eat some, but now maybe not.
So now toss a little bit in there or what?
I mean, just take it off the heat and put it all in there. Mix it up.
Boil, boil, toil and troil. Dude, that's looking good.
Oh, it smells amazing. Put it all. Yeah, put it all in there.
Are you sure we got this measurement right?
Yes.
Look, that's only one, and it's as green as goblin. This is
Why
two.
are you doing it so nice? Just do it in one motion.
Because I'm nice. I'm nice with
Here's how I do it.
it. You're a monster. You know that? You need to seek help. Okay, let me try it Ricky's way.
Dude, that smells so good.
Yeah, it actually really does. If anybody out there works at Jell-O and can get us a Jell-O sponsorship to make a Jell-O ledge, please reach out to us. Skate it at brailleskateboarding.com. Or if you think you can make a better Jell-O contraption than this, skate it at brailleskateboarding.com. I think we're pretty good. I'm worried that it wasn't fully at a boil and that's gonna be a problem. You think so?
The main point of the heat is just to dissolve it.
So now here's the question. How are we going to measure half of this into there?
Just eyeball it.
After all I've went through and you're just gonna tell me to just eyeball it.
Yeah. Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Kind of look at the levels here. What are we looking at? That one has more. This one has more.
Yeah, I think dang, it's a stupid wax.
Remember the shoe is gonna go in there.
All right, a little more on this one still, I think. Yeah, just pour the rest in there. Yeah. Oh yeah, you're good. You're golden. Perfect.
Dang, who's a real professional now?
Quick, it's setting. Quick.
Let's go.
4 hours later. So you're telling me just
Loosen them up though. Loosen them up. You
they
gotta get your
loose.
shit-
I done loosened them
you
up.
gotta get your- Here is where you got to get it loose. 'Cause you gotta. Come on, maybe if you had me there for the other builds of the shoes, they would have worked.
They did work, you monster. Just like this?
Yeah.
Send them in,
It
brother.
is so wrong.
Send them in.
Yeah, so right
Come
at the
on.
same time. Dude, we didn't think about this.
Put it in.
Dude, fill it with water, bro.
What do you mean fill it with water?
Put the water in the bucket. Look, tilt it, turn it.
Grab those weights from upstairs.
You're telling me that now we're gonna put this in the fridge.
Oh, whoa!
Sorry.
It's got to be a little heavy for you, AK.
It is. My back is bursting with the steams. Oh boy. Sheesh. Ouch.
Come on, man. Use those core muscles.
This is what I live for, Cruz.
Hello, Dan.
So what were you saying, Ricky?
It's gonna fit, look.
Yeah, right.
Oh, perfect.
And then what? Then we bring this one down? You want to use these lunch?
I think my fridge is plugged in as well.
How's that look, Cruz?
Looks like Jello.
We look.
I think we did good. So now we wait.
4 hours later!
Let's go, boy!
Why are you gonna put it in my car?
Oh, they are going to my car. 2 days later, we gave it 48 hours.
Look at that. Dang, it smells so good.
Are these the things that are going?
Chloe, I made you some Jello.
Some Jello?
How do you like it?
Oh, looks really tasty.
Smell it. Just kidding.
Wait, what? Is it actually Jello?
Actually, Jello, yeah.
What? Smell it, you monster! What else is it?
I don't know.
Can you smell it?
I can't smell it.
Whoa.
Can you smell
Carly
it?
smells
Whoa.
Yeah, I guess I can't now. I could in the fridge though. It smells good. It smells like lime.
Yeah, it smells like
I
lime.
guess we don't need this
But
in
when
there
you pull
anymore.
that shoe out, the goo is gonna come right off of it.
Oh, who said anything about pulling the shoe out?
Oh.
Who said anything about goo?
Lick it. Oh my God, I thought you were gonna do it. Dude, if you drive crazy and just brake hard and launch this, the video is over.
I'm telling you, this car can't even brake hard or launch it. Looking good in the neighborhood.
Hey, how do you lift that?
5 pounds.
Man, I'm so excited about this.
Are you?
This is one of my more excited ideas in a while. I just imagine going barefoot and just putting your foot in there. It probably feels so nice.
Actually,
Like
we should
really,
do that.
yeah, it would feel really nice. I can't even lie. It's like a pedicure or something like that, or like a spa.
Yeah, it does look pretty cool.
Yeah. Are you still? You think it'll work, Judge, or you think it's going lower
I think it's
and
all
lower?
coming out to how we take it out. I feel like it's super possible that when we try to take it out, it like half will fall off or something.
Leave it in the comments below.
Okay, this is looking so delicious. Here, grab one of these, because I feel like if I try to take them both.
Do not drop the Jello, Rick.
How does that look, JD? That looking good, no?
Oh, that does not smell good, but it looks good.
What do you mean
that
it doesn't
doesn't
smell
smell
good?
good?
It's a nice lemon lime.
Gabe, I'm gonna
It
put
looks-
my
I'm so
toes right into that right there.
Dude, I'm actually pretty jealous.
I know, you should be. Okay, so we're thinking we're gonna have to very delicately remove this
Yep.
with no brakes.
As you just plop it on the floor.
Plop it.
It looks great.
Yeah, it does look great.
Hey.
So what's our strategy?
Oh, no. I'm just kidding, I'm kidding.
Oh, no. Try and peel it off.
Oh, no.
What?
This
What?
just is not looking good.
Why? Oh yeah. Oh,
We got separation.
Yeah.
We have separation.
You know what they say? Grip it and rip it. Honestly, that's prime time, baby.
All right, what's the strat here?
I'm not sure.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Whoa. Okay. Like that. Looks pretty good, right?
No. I mean, you gotta kickflip it.
Oh yeah, 100%. You know, I brought
For free?
extras of everything, but I didn't bring extra socks. Okay, so that was a fail or that was a make? It's kind of a make, right?
There we go. Keep it intact.
It's always the
Keep it
second
intact.
one, you know?
Keep it intact. We got a little separation at the back.
How that?
Good. Put it on there.
Oh yeah. Ooh, this pavement is hot.
So how are you gonna get the shoes on?
Are you ready for the most glorious thing you've seen in a long
I
time?
don't think so.
You ready?
What are you doing?
That one didn't excite you? Not even in the slightest. I thought that was the coolest thing I've seen in months, if not years.
All right.
Okay, how am I gonna get these on? Watch this. Oh yeah. From this really hot asphalt to this, prime time, baby. Look at it oozing.
How's it feel?
It feels nice. Nice and cool.
Oh!
Do you hear that? Oh, yeah.
Oh!
Think I got it?
Nope.
Yeah, I don't think I
All
do
right.
either.
Am I
'cause
switching to the slow-mo?
These tins. It's up to you.
All right. Hold up. Oh! Well, I felt extremely confident. I feel even more confident now.
That was good? Leave us in the comments below. Was that a success or a fail? Because right now, I'm feeling like I need a shower. And I literally just showered. I love how first video of the day. Oh, stick your feet into Jello.
I don't understand how it's melting. Yeah. I wasn't under the impression that
Jello melted?
a solidified form of Jello could melt like that.
I'll leave it in the comments below. Why is it melting? Trey bomb. Oh! What should we do next? Like a cake skateboard?
No, I think we need like a real Jello something.
I think what the thing is Jello ledge. I think that's the one. Okay, I gotta get a tray. Oh! Oh! I almost pulled a muscle, or 12. It's foaming out the shoes.
That's oh, what? What the? Oh, dude, your feet are so foul, they're boiling.
Boiling the Jello. Okay, let's run it. Okay, I know what we need, Gabe. You're right.
Oh!
All right, well, whether this worked or not, it's up to you. Leave it in the comments below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know what we should do next. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.